Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I'd like to introduce a book from the US Navy Warship series, The Sailing Navy 1775 to 1854 by Paul Silverstone. This series is a valuable reference for naval researchers, historians, and of course ship modelers. This first volume is especially useful because it focuses on the early sailing warships of the United States Navy and provides a great source of information on these historic vessels. If you are interested in American sailing warships, this is definitely a book you will want to keep close at hand. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to see featured next in the Ship Modelers Library.